If I had to paint the picture, it would be a perfect image. You was made for a ball, so it's time to handle business. I've seen a lot of things, and I'm telling you different. I'm just trying to be the only man that you kissing. I'm not the last dude. I see a star when they glisten. When you open up your heart, I got 2 ears to listen. Come slide with me, baby. Plans in the kitchen.
KJ Stone.
A lot of noise in my background is shit. Flow still mean, bite the mic like a pit. They ain't feeling this. Tell them it's and what's looking. Yeah, I'm always pretty clean, but it is what it is. Niggas switching up, I'm feeling like I took a hit. Why don't you jumping shit? Damn, what about the kid? I guess the universe trying to put some wisdom in my head. Doctor said I got a heart condition. Oh damn, my road gonna be shorter, but I still got a plan. If I punch the clock early, maybe I can come again. Every day that I'm here, I'm putting money in my hands. If I go too soon, don't get tears on the bands. You don't know my life, nigga, you just know the talking. I got a lot of burdens and I'm dealing with them often. Smoke too much weed, eyes red, always coughing. My heart not right when I dream I see coffin. Jumping off the ledge, man, I contemplate it often. Ride around Atlanta with a fully loaded cartridge. Prison made me paranoid, mentally I'm nauseous. I walk a hard road and you ain't built to come walk it. You don't know my life, nigga, you just know the talking. I got a lot of burdens and I'm dealing with them often. Smoke too much weed, eyes red, always coughing. My heart not right.
First, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I'm KJ. See it somewhere in the background. I'm gonna jump right into it. It has 4 microphones. Get sound from all directions. I'm talking to you on it right now. This is the sound from it. Onboard gimbal, 3-axis stabilization. Can shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second and does extremely amazing slow motion. You're gonna see that. Comes with some connectors that you can connect it to a Android or iOS device. Takes SD cards, super easy to work with. I have a Z-Cam. I was using my SD card for that, and I put it right in here as soon as I got it and didn't have to format it to change up anything. Worked flawlessly. And the footage, as you can see what you're looking at right now, is amazing. And it also has something that's the coolest thing, worth the price any day, over 10, whatever. It has, as you can see, it follow me. I'm not doing anything with my hands. Motion tracking. That is amazing. So you can put it on the subject like a gimbal. It'll track an object or track a face. I love that. So that's enough talking.
KJ Stone.
I don't give a fuck, don't fuck with me. I got goals in mind and some self-esteem. All this fake rap shit, it's just not for me. My money gon' come like EBT. I got a bad little lady, I ain't beat my meat. We got our OnlyFans, yeah, we super free. You can say what you want, if we gon' eat. All that gossip and backbiting, beat your feet. You don't know what it feel like to wake up me. Popping Adderall like fuck sleep. 45, I keep it close to me. That's H-ish, now raise your B. What would these niggas be talking about? They running their mouth. If it's word that you want, then I'm sharing it out. When they this shit, fam, we gon' see what you bout. Niggas be talking about. Stay running their mouth. If it's word that you want, then I'm every shit. And why did this shit to fail? We gon' see what you bout.
Get out my face, ho, I don't want place. The was on and I'm kicking it straight. You running your mouth cause you bitches be lame. When I'm on the track, hold that this lane. They sleeping on me when they look at my frame. I get on the beat and I'm going insane. You insecure cause he know my name. I don't need you bitches to be not the same. I see lookalikes and they sound the same. Why your baby daddy won't say your name? Why you on my page? I am not to blame. Hating you and y'all all the same.
What these niggas be talking about? Niggas stay running their mouth. If it's word that you want, then I'm every shit. When this shit in the family, gon' see what you bout. Niggas be talking about. Niggas stay running their mouth. If it's word that you want, then I'm every shit. When this shit the family, gon' see what you bout. Niggas be talking about. Niggas stay running their mouth. If it's word that you want, then I'm every shit. Why this shit the family, gon' see what you bout. Niggas be talking about. Niggas stay running their mouth. If it's word that you want, then I'm every shit out. This shit the family, gon' see what you bout. Let me tell a true story about my homie named Sean. Immortalize his name, let my bars be his throne. It's a dedication to a soldier from a broken home. Mama did her best, but he couldn't leave them streets alone. Growing up in Chester, hardest doing 20 backflips. Wolves on the corner moving work to keep it active. In a hungry young mind, all that traffic is extravagant. My nigga needed money, so we learned how to make it flip. Fan of the art, so we learned how to bust a lip. 60 in the huddle, beat the eyes, now it's gangster. And he still had plans, big brain, make arrangements. Took a trip and got degrees. I tell a story, proud of this. You think you know what's next, but you really not following. My homie tackle life like a thoroughbred galloping. Giant take a fall, that's when they rush quick to box you in. Sean feel flaw, was he trusted in this fuck a friend? Story carry on, but
Alright. New camera, so it's obligatory to make yourself like a sad in public. You gotta like a clown if you're gonna be a vlogger. You gotta do it. You know, getting some girl. Hold on, man, back up a little bit. He wasn't ready for his close-up. Speaking of, hey guys. Hey baby, you found what you need? What you got there?
Crunchy granola bar.
Molly for me. How you? Let me say.
Okay, never mind.
Do anything else you want to do? Okay.
We with the shits.
we coming back to friends again. By now, nigga moving work like he was with the Mexicans. Trigger wasn't silent, he was cool with busting caps at them. Play the wrong hand, Sean gon' put you in that ambulance. Time to re-up, fill that duffel bag with 100 grams. The order was a big one, so we took along his right-hand man. Plug house, ziggin' tripping, speaking different languages. Bodies moving funny, but Sean had that longish. Ziggin' got to reaching, so Sean pulled that trigger quick. He cocked it back and popped the jig, popped the jig and popped it. Room full of niggas, so he Jason Bourne dropped this shit. Time to get ghosts now. Sean in the shadows, his right hand with him, so he riding. That's his Migo. Right hand talking to the shit, a cell phone. That slimy ass shit had the Jakes tag along. Y'all know where this is going. I don't gotta sing the song. Threw some elbows at a man, but he still stands strong. I met him in the cage and he showed me how to put it on, how to get my bag right and see clear in the storm. I was dumb and I was loud. He told me to be more. He would listen to my raps as I wrote and performed. If I never met Sean, then my highlight is gone. I purchased all my studio while I was in the cell. Sean helped me do that. My nigga, this is true rap. I'm giving high praise with the bars over boom bap.
Okay, so that was test footage from the first day. I don't have like any special videos or any tips or tools. Nobody showed me how to use it. I watched maybe like one or two YouTube videos of people who had it previously as I was waiting for it to arrive. Footage is amazing. Put some like color grading on it. It has a D-CNET like color setting. Helps flatten it a little bit so you can edit it a little harder and color grade it a little better post-production. But overall, as you can see, I will never buy one of the big cameras that I was looking for again. Like the big mirrorless and all that. That's all for show. This camera is amazing and it fits in your pocket. Thanks for tuning in.